A special magic flows through this majestic castle, the magic of fantasy. We gather together as our dreams ignite the swirling pixie dust, creating a beacon that shines out in celebration of 50 years of the most magical place on Earth. Presented by In order for you to fully experience tonight's performance, the lighting around the Magic Kingdom will be reduced. For your own safety and for that of others, we ask that you remain in the same location until the lighting returns to normal. Our journey will begin in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Make a wish upon a star. Close your eyes and just believe it. You have traveled from so far, and now you're close enough to feel it. With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star. The magic is here. It's here for you and me.
When the magical carpet ride, travel to Neverland, just believe that you can.
So come see your guide.
Be your guide, 'cause it's there
If you believe,
it's possible tomorrow.
that's all.
Guide the way, all your dreams will follow. Doesn't matter when you're gone, 'cause the sun is in your heart. You are the magic. You are the magic.
Good evening. Tonight we gather in a most enchanted place, one overflowing with the magic of dreams come true. Those who venture here filled with hope in search of this magic leave inspired, changed by what they discover. If you dare to embark on this journey, you too may find what you seek, and perhaps something even greater, so long as you simply believe. I remember someone told me
Fairy tales can come true.
that you gotta make them happen.
It all depends on you.
This town can slow you down,
People taking the easy way.
but I know exactly where I'm going. I'm getting closer, closer every day. I'm
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just where you are. The people you love will change you. The things you have learned will guide you. And nothing on earth can silence the quiet voice still inside you.
We have found what we seek. The magic of dreams come true, in fact, lies within you. This magical kingdom remains a beacon to those with a wish in their heart, gifting every person who walks through these gates this enchantment. Look inside yourself and realize that you have everything you need to make all your dreams come true. Anything is possible, for you are the magic.
Oh, just believe and then close your eyes. You can do it while you're so
Thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular Disney Enchantment presented by Pandora Jewelry.